In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix your Android device not receiving calls. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it can be really annoying when you're expecting any phone call and they're just not coming through to you. You're not getting them at all, or they're just going instantly into your missed calls. So what you want to firstly go ahead and do is swipe down on the top right of your screen. It's going to bring up your control panel. Just make sure you're not on airplane mode. If you're on airplane mode, go ahead and disable it, because when you are in airplane mode, you're not going to be able to receive or make any phone calls or anything like that. Second thing I want you to do is go to your volume slider. Make sure it's not completely muted, because then you're not going to hear any phone calls. And then what I also want you to do is go over to your phone application, which is on the bottom left, and then press the three little dots on the top right. Then go to settings, which is the third option. Over here, you can do a lot of different things, but you want to scroll down until you go to supplementary services. I have a SIM card, but once you're in supplementary services, what you want to do is go to call barring and make sure nothing is like disabled right there. If any of those things are enabled, it's not going to work. So make sure they're all disabled, and then you should be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.